Welcome to Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie and today I've got a really fun project to share with you. This is really cute if you want to do a personalized photo vase. Now I am using dishwasher safe Mod Podge for this, so it will be water friendly. You'll be able to use this with fresh flowers or fresh plants. You can see that I've got photos on each side. This is a really fun and easy project. I think these make adorable Mother's Day and Father's Day gifts, but they're also great centerpieces for weddings and showers and baby showers. For this project, I'm going to be mixing some of our folk art paints with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and that is to create that tinted look on there. So I'm starting with black and white photocopies of my pictures. I changed them to black and white on my computer, but you can do the same thing on a copy machine at your local printer. And then we're going to use that dishwasher safe Mod Podge to attach them to a thrift shop vase. All right, let's make this project.
I'm using a vase from the thrift store. This was $3.99, and I love using the square shape. I've gone ahead and sized my pictures and changed them to black and white. I'm using dishwasher safe for this, and that is the Mod Podge that is water friendly. You're going to measure the sides of the vase and then size your images accordingly. I'm wiping down the vase first with some rubbing alcohol that will get any grease off of it. This is a very important step. Then you're going to go ahead and add your dishwasher safe Mod Podge to the back of the paper, and then go ahead and pick it up and place it onto the side of the vase. You have a little bit of time to wiggle room that in. And then you're going to smooth with your fingers and really make sure those edges are sealed down. Now you're going to do this on all four sides of the vase. Adding the Mod Podge to the back of the paper, positioning it down, pressing out any air bubbles with your fingers, and look how cute that looks. Now I'm going to let this fully dry, and then I'm going to go in and do my tinting. I'm adding some dishwasher safe Mod Podge to a little bit of my folk art paint, and you want this to be sheer because we're going to be painting over our image. So you can adjust the Mod Podge or the paint accordingly. Then go ahead and paint right over your image, highlighting the areas that you want. For mine, I'm doing the outfits, and I'm going to be doing the greenery at the end. So I'm using a paintbrush. It's just one of the Mod Podge detail paintbrushes to go in and add all of those details. You can also use your finger, like on the dress. I'm just adding a dot and then kind of smearing it in with my finger. So I'm doing each side a different color. I've got some pink over here for our Barbie t-shirts. Now this one I was thinking was a great Mother's Day gift to myself. So I'm using some cute pictures of adventures that we've been on. Really high contrast shirts like this black and white look really cool when they are painted over. You can go ahead and add a little bit of yellow or any color you want to group pictures. It's a fun way to tie a color together even if you weren't all wearing the same color. Now for that green, I'm going to go ahead and use some foliage green, and I'm mixing my dishwasher safe Mod Podge there. For this technique, I'm going to crinkle up a napkin. A paper towel works too. And then I'm just going to tap and dip it into the green paint. And then I'm tapping it right onto the project. And that's going to create a really organic sort of green look on wherever I had greenery in my pictures. I'm going to do this on all four sides. I love how it ties each piece together just by having a little bit of that green on the same. Now for the edge, I'm doing a little bit of treasure gold and silver just to finish off those edges. I'm rubbing that with my finger, super easy. To seal, we're going to do 3 top coats of the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. That's 3 top coats with an hour of dry time in between each top coat. It's important to make sure that your brush strokes are all going in the same direction. You don't need to use a thick coat each time, a nice thin coat with that dry time, but please repeat this process 3 times. Look how gorgeous these turn out. What a fun gift idea to make.
Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this photo project. I think these make great home decor pieces, and they're so cute as centerpieces too. If you love crafting with photos, I want you to check out our photo transfer video that we did a couple weeks ago where I showed you how to do photo transfer onto fabric. All right, have a great crafty week. I'll be back here next week with another fun project to share with you. And until then, have a great day. Bye.